Hello everybody, this is Mrs. Dries with the Harrison Township Public Library. We are out here today in Armada at Save a Soul Sanctuary, and we've got some fun stuff coming up for you. We are going to meet the animals here, we are going to do a story, and you're really going to enjoy all the cuteness that we have for you today. So the first thing we're going to do is meet Anna, who's going to tell us a little bit about this wonderful place.
Hi, I'm Anna Ostrander, and I run Save a Soul Sanctuary and Rescue. This is my dog, Sadie. We fostered for a couple other rescues prior to, and then we decided that we would get our own nonprofit because we do a lot more than just dogs and cats. So in 2016, we got our 501c3, and we were able to really pump up with the donations for our crew, because we take in horses, sheep, goats, pigs, chickens, ducks, bunnies, turtles, dogs, cats. I think that's all we have right now. So we do a lot of everything. We have fosters, and then we have a couple hubs up north, and we have fosters down south. So we take dogs who are needy from everywhere, same with the horses and the chickens. We live on a farm because you have to have a big property in order to have the animals. If you want to, we have volunteer forms as well. So if you ever want to come out and volunteer and meet the crew, we have volunteer days. You can come and groom a horse, walk a dog, clean a chicken coop. We have a PayPal account set up through the rescue for donations, and it's at saveasoulsanctuary@gmail.com. We also have a Venmo that can be used for donations as well if you're real savvy. We do take snail mail, and we have an account at Genesis Credit Union, which is local to Michigan. And then we also have people who donate by checks by mail as well. We are solely based on donations, and if we run out of donations, then between my job and my husband's job, we try to cover everything else that donations can't. So we also have a property where we have hay grown so that we can make sure we have enough hay for all the animals throughout the winter, because the horses, the sheep, the goats, the pigs, everybody loves hay, and it can get rather expensive. So if you really want a good workout, you can always come and help us stack and move hay as well.
All right, shall we meet the animals next?
Sure.
All right, let's go meet some animals, guys.
Offer boarding for our fosters for when people go on vacations, that they can come back and be part of the farm, because, I mean, you see how happy they are.
Look at this belly. Look at this Scotty belly. Hi, Scotty. You're a squirmy worm. You are a squirmy worm.
Yeah, and his new name is Buddy.
Oh, your new name is Buddy. So you used to be Scotty, but now you're Buddy, huh?
And he still answers
And
the phone
he's
because I mess up all the time.
happily adopted. And just visiting.
I just love him so much.
And here we have Sadie. What's Sadie's story?
Sadie came from a lady whose husband was working on the pipeline. They came up from Texas, and their two bulldogs had a litter of 10, and she needed help. They were staying in Emily City in a hotel with 10 puppies and 3 bulldogs. She needed help finding the bulldogs at home, so I helped her get everybody else adopted out and got to keep Sadie.
And how did Scotty come to you before Scotty was adopted?
Scotty came to us with his mom from a lineman in Detroit found the dogs. His brothers got a home and him and his mom were left. So we went and picked them up, and his mom got adopted. She had horrible heartworm and she got adopted by a cardiac nurse, which was a perfect fit. And he was with us for over a year. And then when Katie fostered him, Katie fell in love with him. As you can see why, he's so stinking cute. And so he even goes to work at the Ford dealership with his mom and goes to the gym to work out with his mom, and everybody loves Buddy. We try to keep this as its own little ecosystem.
Another catfish.
And then there's the smallmouth bass.
Oh, yes.
There's painted turtles, there's a snapper. A lot of birds.
There's a red-winged blackbird.
Yep. This is Napoleon. His barn name is Neo. He's a Percheron-Shire draft cross, and we just have him for trail rides. He's a very big, gentle boy, and he loves attention and to be pet and brushed and bathed and loved on.
Show how big he is here. I want to show all of him here. He's such a big guy with those big feet. Look at the size of these feet down here. He's got big. Hi, Neo.
This is Phoenix. And this one's Puck. He used to be black like a hockey puck. That's how he got his name. And then this is Butterscotch. Butterball.
Get all you guys. There we go.
With that.
And we got a dirt bath going on here. So how do they drink?
They suck the water up like as if we were using a straw. That's how they suck the water up. So they don't lap like a dog. They suck like if they had a straw. This is Miranda Lambert. She's a little warm with the heat. Her pupils are square. They have wool. And yes, she's sheared, but she still has a lot of wool.
Hi! Did you come see me? Did you come see me? You came to see me too. Hello, Miranda. Hello, Miranda. There's Big Leo. Yeah, you're getting scratches on your face, huh? Does that feel good? Hi. Hi. Hi, Felicity.
Be able to do my thing and not really be the boy.
Got our roosters here. And ducks.
Two roosters in this group. We took on the other roo because he was a baby, and we knew if we acclimated him in young enough that they wouldn't fight, and they don't. Roo-roo! 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 Come here, Roo-roo! Should I go see if I got extra scraps in the house? Are you talking, Roo-roo? Tell me about it.
Here's Lenny Pig. Hi, Lenny Pig. The breeze from the fan is blowing on him to keep him cool. And then over here in the next one we have Penelope Pig. She's getting air from the fan too to keep her cool. This is Luna. Hi, Luna. Hi, you're very pretty.
Need a drink of water. Take a break in the shade, you guys. Nope. I know, buddy, you have a little bit more power than she does.
Here we got all 3 cats in one shot.
There's 4.
There's 4. I haven't met the
black ones.
4th one.
Well, and then there's a stray 5th one, but it won't let me get close yet. So I don't know if it's a boy, girl, neutered, what. It runs every time I try to go near it.
Hi.
They're so funny.
You can see Save a Soul Sanctuary behind me here. Over here we have all the chickens and the ducks and the roosters. And then back there you can see where we've got the horses and the goats. And while we're sitting here in this beautiful shade tree, we are going to do a story. Our story today is titled Little Blue Truck. It's by Alice Schertle and it's illustrated by Jill McElmurray. And of course, this is a story that takes place on a farm. Little Blue Truck. Horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sounds you've ever heard. Little Blue Truck came down the road. Beep, said Blue to a big green toad. Toad said, croak, and winked an eye when Little Blue Truck went rolling by. Sheep said, baa. Cow said, moo. Oink, said a piggy. Beep, said Blue. Cluck, said a chicken, and her chick said, peep. Meh, said a goat. Blue said, beep. Neigh, said a horse. Quack, said a duck. Beep, said the friendly little blue truck. Honk, yelled the dump truck. Coming through. I've big important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. Vroom went the duck around a curve. He saw a puddle and he tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled a big fat truck and his big important wheels got stuck. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down deep in muck and mire. Honk! Cried the dump, and he sounded scared, but nobody heard, or nobody cared. Then, into the mud, bump, 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 came the little blue truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Help, 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 cried the little blue truck. Beep, beep, beep. I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pigs and sheep. Up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flapping with the chick and the duck, and everybody pushed the little blue truck. Head to head and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up but the big green toad. All together, 1, 2, 3. One last push, and the trucks were free. Thanks, little brother, said the dump to Blue. You helped me, and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. Beep, said Blue. Who wants a ride? Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Oink, quack, bah, moo, cluck, beep, neigh, croak, nah. Beep, beep, beep. And that is the end of the little blue truck. And I have to show you, you can't see this on camera, but I've had an audience this whole time here. And they're starting to go. If you can see, I've had some kitties who have been listening to our story, our little audience. And now that I'm done with the story, away they go. Thank you everybody for joining us today at Save a Soul Sanctuary. Take care and bye for now.